Morning! So we're headed to the restaurant for breakfast early morning today because we're heading out to Furano, Farm Tomita, Shikisai-no-oka and the Blue Pond.
Blue Pond, yeah. So it's actually 7:30 now. We woke up at 6:45, 6:50, yeah. So we're prepared and we're ready to just have breakfast and then set off. So our bus will actually pick us up at 8 a.m. Right at our hotel. So it's a booking that we did on Klook. If you're interested.
Yeah.
We are on the bus now.
Yeah.
It's part of our tour package that we booked on Klook. So we're heading off to pick up other people who join this tour as well, just to their hotels, and then we will head off for Furano.
那我们在北海道还可以看到一些什么呢？就是包括那个地名，像札幌。
Here, our first stop.
Yeah, Shikisai-no-oka. So lavenders are not in full bloom yet, but thankfully we get to see some of the baby lavender plants.
And some flowers, salvia that looks like lavenders.
Yeah.
Yeah, so at least we get to see some pretty flowers.
Yeah, and it's a pretty fun ride as well because included in the tour was also this ride on the tractor tram. So get an overview of this whole area in a quick few minutes. And I think further up in the information counter, we also saw that there were helicopter tours available. So pretty cool. There are tours available around Shikisai-no-oka as well as the Blue Pond.
Yeah, if anyone's planning to come and see like a full bloom of flowers, recommended to come in July instead of June. Even June, like end June, is still too early for flowers. So, but thankfully we still managed to see some. So, yeah, if you really want to see more flowers, come in July.
Yeah, and the cool thing about Shikisai-no-oka is that there's also an alpaca farm right beside.
Yeah, which we are planning to explore right now. Hello, we are at Biei now, where the famous Blue Pond is at. Yep, so it's a really hot day today, that's why I have my hat on. And the sun is like very hot, but it doesn't, it's dry. So recommended to bring an umbrella or a hat if you're coming here in summer. So now I'm heading over to the blue corn. If you're here, you should really try the blue soda flavored ice cream. Or get like a soda with ice cream, it will be nice.
It's pretty, yeah, really nice on this weather. But yeah, I think if you read into the history and the reason why the pond is tinted blue is also very interesting. So it's tinted because of the aluminium compounds inside the water.
Hello, we are here at Farm
Tomita.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. We're gonna explore around.
Yeah, see some flowers and try the melon ice cream over here. So pretty cool. I think it's not just your traditional melon flavor ice cream, but actually the actual melon chunks inside. So, yeah, try it out.
Okay.
Trying the famous melon.
Yeah, Yubari melon.
Go ahead.
Hi guys, so now we're at Ningdo Terrace.
Our last stop for the day.
Yeah. Alright, so we finished our Furano day tour, and right now we're in Sapporo factory trying out this Ichiya Boshi fish. So I got the 3 types of fish, and Joyce got salmon meat and salmon roe. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. It's quite an elaborate setup. So apparently this dashi is supposed to go onto the rice, and this soy sauce is supposed to go onto the fish. And there's this whole procedure right here. So we'll try that out.
Just look at the quality of this fish. It's perfectly cooked. With the Ichiyagoshi cooking technique. You should really try it if you can, and it's so affordable. It's like 1,380 yen.
For 3 pieces of fish.
Recommend. 11 upon 10, right? They said.
Yeah.
Done with dinner. Now we are having some ice cream.
Yeah. Having this little thing called dipping dots. Looks a bit like the old Solero short street used to have.
Yeah, and I'm having ice cream factory. So what they did was that they actually placed it on a cold plate and then they kind of teppanyaki style this ice cream.
Yeah, a bit like the Turkish like ice cream rolls kind of thing.
Yeah.
But they don't roll it up in that sense.
Okay, gonna eat now. My ice cream dripping.
Alright, so I've seen the Japanese use this pocket translator device and it's really amazing. Very accurate translation at live speed. So let's give it a try. And it has many languages. So let's just try English to Bahasa Melayu, right? Do you think this device can understand what I'm saying?
Adakah Anda fikir peranti ini boleh memahami apa yang saya katakan?
Okay, I guess it can. Let's try to translate it to another language, right? As you can see, there's so many different languages available. Maybe Tagalog. This device is able to translate to many different languages.
Hindi pinaganya ang device na ito na nagsasali ng napakaraming iba't ibang wika.
Okay, caught that a little bit wrongly, but the translation still looks accurate, I think. Not that I know.